On encountering a problem with your Novum frost-free cabinet, please follow this simple procedure to change the Novum Complete Refrigeration System, or CRS. By following these steps, you will have the cabinet back in operation in less than 5 minutes. Switch off the power to the unit. Remove the front grille. Simply unplug the controller, main power lead, and temperature probe connections. Release the securing latches on the sides of the CRS and slide it out. Replace the cassette with a new one that can be stored on site or locally. Secure in place with the latches and plug back in the temperature probe, mains power, and controller connections. Replace the front grille and power the unit back on. Once there is a spare CRS on site, there is no need for an emergency call-out. Staff on site can be trained to change the CRS. Your local Novum service partner can do the repair anytime afterwards.